Today we're featuring a 2014 Lexus ES350. It's Matador red mica in color. Alright, it's got 55,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. The first thing we notice, it does have the front park assist. Alright, it's got the turn signals and the side mirrors. It is equipped with sunroof. Passenger side of the car looks good. It is also equipped with rear park assist, rear backup camera. Alright, it's got your dual exhaust. Make our way down the passenger side. Alright, and in the mirror it also has the blind spot monitoring system, and I'll show you that. There's a button inside, I'll show you that. Alright, the exterior of this vehicle is in great shape. It is a 2014. Alright, 55,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Memory seats, power locks, power windows. Alright, it does have the tan power driver's seat. It is leather. Alright, it's got the perforated inserts. Alright, it is equipped with heated seats and air conditioned seats. Alright. Driver and passenger seat are both in really good condition. Let's take a look at it. Does have the keyless entry key fob. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your heated seats and air conditioned seats, just like I said earlier, right there. Dual climate controls, push button start, CD player. Alright, your backup camera display is going to be right there. Alright, wooden leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. There's your park assist button there, and then your blind spot monitoring button there. Let's go ahead and take a look at your mileage. Okay, it's got 54,999 miles on it. Go ahead and check out your display screen here. Alright, and we'll get back to your home screen. Okay, and we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, we have the air conditioner on now for about 5 minutes, everything blowing nice and cold there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather's in really good shape. Not a wrinkle in this leather. Looks like hardly anybody's ever sat back here. Okay, everything's in really good shape. It's got your cup holders that come down. And you can also access the trunk through here as well. Let's go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, the dash and the layout. Okay, this thing's been well taken care of. It is a 2014, only 55,000 miles on it, but it is almost brand new. I mean, there's not a scratch. Leather looks great. All right, it's got the convenient cargo net here. Carpet's in good shape. Plenty of space in the trunk there. Go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 17-inch alloys. All right, brand new set of tires on here. All right, once again, so 2014 Lexus ES350. All right, it's got 55,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's been well taken care of. It's in beautiful shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.